Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Speak Better English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Thanks for tuning in. In today's episode, we're diving into a super useful topic: 7 smart and simple tips to help you learn English faster.
Yes, whether you're just starting or you've been learning English for years, these tips will help you move forward with confidence.
And don't worry, you don't need expensive courses or textbooks. These tips are practical and can be done at home.
Let's begin with tip number 1. Learn with a purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English?
When you know your why, your motivation becomes stronger. Do you want to travel? Work abroad? Watch movies without subtitles?
That purpose becomes your fuel. When you have a goal, you'll push through when it gets tough.
Tip number 2. Make English a daily habit. Don't rely on weekend study marathons.
Exactly, just 15 minutes a day is enough. It's better to study a little every day than to study for hours once a week.
Make English part of your life. Listen to a podcast while walking. Read a short article before bed.
Tip number 3. Start speaking from day 1. Don't wait until you feel ready. That day may never come.
You can talk to yourself. Say what you're doing, describe what you see. For example, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm opening the fridge.
It sounds silly, but it really works. Your brain gets used to building sentences naturally.
Tip number 4. Learn phrases. Not just vocabulary words.
When you learn in chunks, like, I'll get back to you, or, that sounds great, you learn how native speakers really talk.
And when you speak, you won't have to build sentences word by word. It just flows.
Tip 5. Use technology to your advantage. There are so many tools now: Duolingo, YouTube, Anki, even TikTok.
Yes, and if you use subtitles when watching shows, make sure they're in English, not your native language.
You'll connect sounds and spelling much faster that way.
Tip 6. Write in English every day. It can be just one sentence.
Writing helps you slow down and think in English. It improves grammar, vocabulary, and structure.
You can keep a journal or post on social media in English. Even better, ask friends to correct you.
And finally, tip 7. Surround yourself with English.
Make your environment support your learning. Set your phone to English, follow English-speaking creators, join online groups.
The more you see and hear English, the more your brain adapts. It becomes natural, not forced.
You know, Emma, while we're on the topic, there's something else that's important to talk about.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Common mistakes learners make. Sometimes people have good habits, but they also repeat bad ones without realizing.
That's true. One big mistake I often see is trying to translate everything from your native language into English.
Exactly. English has its own structure. If you think in your own language and try to translate, the sentence often sounds unnatural.
Another one. Focusing too much on grammar and too little on actually using the language.
Yes, grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from speaking. Communication is more important than perfection.
Also, some people are afraid to make mistakes. But mistakes are part of the journey.
We all made them, even native speakers when they were kids.
So true. The goal isn't to speak perfect English. It's to communicate clearly and confidently.
So let's review 7 simple tips. Have a purpose, study daily, speak early, learn phrases, use tech, write, and surround yourself with English.
And remember the bonus lesson: don't let fear or bad habits stop your progress.
If you keep going, even slowly, you will improve.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and share this episode with someone learning English.
And let us know in the comments, which tip will you try first?
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Better English. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident.